Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to draw acorn hair, only way. Start by sketching a rounded head and a faint center line, then draw a curved hairline like an acorn cap that sits naturally on the crown. Keep proportions simple and block the main masses first, avoiding tiny details. Use soft, confident strokes for the cap edge and bouncy locks beneath, and adjust shape until it reads clearly from a distance. To shape the cap, start with a smooth, slightly oversized curve that follows the skull, making the silhouette readable at a glance. Add a subtle ridge where the cap meets the scalp, and imagine the cap as a single mass before breaking it into strands. Use light construction lines to check balance, then refine the outer edge with heavier lines. This keeps the design bold and stylistically consistent. After the cap is set, sketch flowing strands that peek out beneath, creating volume and movement. Vary the width and direction of each strand so the hair looks lively rather than uniform. Use gaps and overlapping to imply layers without overworking details, and soften connections where strands meet the cap to keep things organic. Finish by erasing stray construction marks and reinforcing the strongest lines for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.